Welcome to the seminar. I'm Tom, and I'm a HPC High Performance Computing Consultant, and I work for NICS, National Institute of Computer Science. And last week we had a seminar. The topic was Introduction to C Programming. And last we talked about how to write and how to compile your first C program. And we introduced some functions, some data types in the language. Today, we're going to talk more about the C programming. Today, talk about program control, introduce some advanced data types, and we're going to talk about file handling in C. The slide is also available online. If you go to www.nic.edu/HPC seminar-serial, you can access this PowerPoint online. First, let's talk about program control. Provide two-step flow control, run and loop. Acting is writing what action to take, which is because the program will choose to follow one branch or another. Looping writing how many times you take a certain action. For branching, we use statements with keyword like if else, or switch. And in today we're going to cover while loop and do while loop. First, look at the if statement. Statements take the following form. The first one is simple if statement, and it will check the expression here. If true, the statement will execute. If it is not true, the statement is skipped. Last, we talk about true and false in C language. And will be assumed to be true if it is not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0 in the language, it is treated like false. So the second is the same as the first one. It just has a block of statements. Again, check the expression. If it is true, the block of statements will execute. Otherwise, they are skipped. This is if else statement. In case is first check the expression. If that's true, the first block of statements will be executed. Otherwise, it goes to the else. And the statement with keyword else inside this bracket, those block statements are executed. Last one is the if statement. Again, you check the first expression. If that's true, it goes to the first block of statement. If it's false, it goes the program goes for else if, and the second expression. If that's true, the block of statement following will execute. Otherwise, it jump to the block of statement. So how does it work? I have a small code. I'm going to compile the writer's code, run it to see how the if statement works. And I'm going to use simple.com, which is a free online terminal I can use to write my program. And open it. Not much code here. And use VI to edit it to write the code. So, this is the message. I'm going to type out. Remember to first include the standard input of the library. And this is our main function. either variable. We have this our and first if statement. And then we are transition the line. The without statement. Without keyword. Without we try to command the code that the file become the higher the information that command the page as the page is not the file. And this file as a the executable file. Like that's the document. So this case we do print out the logic. So if we want to print out the first print out command we have and doing it is not bigger than 10, so the cell part. And then we click and we finally have to how the if statement works. Let's see. We're going to talk about the switch statement. The switch statement is pretty much like if else. The only thing is it's a little easier to read. This is a typical format for the switch. And here is higher, which in each case match, and the program will continue from that point. If there's a match, the default statements are executed, and it will if from statement if it retrieves keyword. Let's see how switch works in the program. Open the shell. to the center that function. Creating a variable rate to edit return. Accident, which is the first case. I'm regarding sleep and sleep. Looking. Looks a while away to the command and we can for home reality. And we know it's going to cover how to do well. For that typical format, much like if without statement. And you check the expression here. If that is true, the statement and the block of statements are executed. And after that, it will check the expression again. If that's true, then we're still going to run the code. It's continue until the expression turns into false. So, and that's it for a while loop for 1, 2, 9. initial zero, zero line in the loop. Like that, I is bigger than 0. And if I just pick up and hello on the screen. And I equals 1 minus 1. It means I equals by 1. So that's what is on the screen. Hello 10 times on the screen. That's a typical simple loop. Then for loop. For loop has 3. You will notice for loop has 3 expressions. The first one is the initial value. The second one is the conditional expression. If the condition is true, and the loop continues. The last one is to modify the value. The model is just simply increase or decrease the value. If on the right side is the simple code and for loop. So the initial value for I is 0. I equal than 10. It will be hello on the screen. Here, I plus I equals I plus 1. So every time I increase by 1. And equally, it will print hello on the screen 10 times, just like the number just right. The last is dual loop. It's pretty much like the while loop. The only thing is its expression at the bottom. So loop, the statement of the block of statements will be executed at least one time, and it will check the expression to see if it's still true. The right hand side is the code for dual loop. But the code will again print hello 10 times on the screen. The only difference here is check the condition at the bottom. Is that so far? We talk about break continuous statement. C press 2 commands for how we do break and continue. So we have been using break. The break just exists from the loop or switch. For example, for this keyword, continuous statement will speed variation of the loop. Here. Loop if I equal to 5, if that's true, it will jump to continuous statement, which means it will keep one iteration of the loop. So if the code, it will print hello screen, but if I equal to 5, it will give hello 5. Let's see. The file is now skip one statement. If 1 to 10, however, is below 5. So, yes, this percentage, this symbol, it returns the remainder when A is divided by B. It will return 0 if there's no remainder. So this code will print out numbers from 0 to 100. Fill out the even number from 0 to 100. As a date, how we use the continue statement. We're going to talk about some advanced data types in C. We introduce arrays, pointers, and strings. So why do we need an array? Because sometimes there are lots of time we need to store a complete list of numbers. For this case, I have 5 integers I want to print out. So I have to, that's why I have to create 5 variables for 5 integers. So what we have like 100, 200 number. It's very difficult to do that manually. And that's why we need to introduce array. But array has the format like this. It starts with the type of the array and the name of it, and you follow with the size of it. Here we have a sample. In this case, it's declare an array. The name of it is A, and it's integer and 5 elements. The first element is A0, and the last one is A4. In this case, we declare array and also we initialize it. So A0 is equal to 1, and A1 equal to 2, and so on. And they don't put the size of the array, just like our case, because if we leave it blank, and the compiler just going to create a array with the size just enough to hold the initialization. In this case, we don't put the size of it, and the compiler will open up an array with 5 elements. So we can how to declare array and find. So the next element is going to be 2, 1 plus n, and 2 plus n, and so on. And another thing on the screen.
Next, let's talk about another data type, pointer. Pointer is powerful, and let's first talk about memory location. The memory location has address. In C, you can access the address by this operator and this operator. Here's a small piece of code. In this code, I have two variables, and I print out the address of each variable because I want to know the location. Where are they? So to do, I use this operator to get. Let's try to see how it looks. Another code in my shell and soon we talk about it. This is a real test. Address of each that location. Of course, variable. It's just variable, but in this kind of variable, it stores the location of the memory. In other words, we can see a pointer stores address of another variable. You just a pointer points to another variable in the next
picture. In this picture, we have three variables. One is a pointer P1, second one is pointer P2, the last one is a character. So each variable has address. This is 1, 1010, 5005, 8000. That's the memory location. And each variable holds a value. Since the pointer is a variable holds address of another variable, in our case we can see that pointer P holds the address of pointer P2. P2 holds the address of the character variable. If you want to P2, P2 point to look in the memory location. Since a pointer is a variable, so to use it, first we need to declare a pointer. To declare, we use a star. P is the name of the variable. The star will tell the compiler that we want a pointer variable. And I integer here tells the compiler that pointer variable is going to store the address of an integer. It points to an integer. So in English, to declare pointer, we use the star in front of the name. To get address of variable, we use the AND operator. And again, to obey the value of the variable, we use star and count the pointer's name. Let's see an example. Here we have three variables, and one with a star, which is a pointer, and B is just regular integer. So in this case, we let B equal to 10, and we hold the address of B. The A points to B, and equal to star A. Since we didn't to get the value of the variable, we use the star in front of the pointer name. So in this case, C holds the value of the variable pointed to A. Since we know points to B and equal to 10, so 10. Eventually, C equals to B. Let's see the pointing of code in a piece of code. Following is the regular one next level is the pointer variable. The pointer holds address Next, we talk about another data type, string. A string is basically is a array of characters, and the string is by no character, just like 0. And to declare a string, what we can use a character keyword with the array and give the initial value of the string. What we have to do it in this way. We can simply write use the first statement that equals to the string. Looks like this. It's always terminated by the no character. That's the string on screen. What happened? After. He has a list of functions that we could use for string generation. S1 is just copy string one, S2 into S1. And second function is attach S2 S1. And the function is just going to return the how long is the What is standard introduction? That is punishment to another study of wisdom, thinking, and studying the long become function of innovation. The is what we experience with the common interest stream 3. The second statement is attached stream 1 after stream 2. And the last statement is turned out on the top stream 2. The outline works in the program. Searching. PowerPoint. Spot handling. We communicate with files using a new data type, the file pointer. And data is within the standard input-output library, the standard input-output library. And it has keyword file. So to decrease, we use keyword file with star and the name of the file variable. So in typical C code, clear file pointer, that format, to include the standard input-output library and new function to clear the file. Talk about how to open a file, how to close it, and how to read and write the contents of the file. Yes, we use keyword, use function as open. You must open a file before you can access it. So this is a piece of typical C code used to open a file. You first declare the file pointer and use add equal open, which is a function, and let the file open. Add here means open a file for writing. You can also other words like R means open a file for reading, A open file for appending. To close file, we use function add close with the file. Well, if you open when the program finishes, you can well close them. But it's always good if you could close it properly. Output. Work with input and output. We can use functions like printf and scanf. Those much like the scanf we have used. In this case, we will have to declare the file pointer first. That was a simple code that you can open a file and put one simple sentence is the testing in the file. So let's try and see how to open a file and how to write something in the file. But first I want to check this is a shell. I want to check my current location. My current location is home user 056. It is very useful because if we want to open a file, we want to know where is the file, where we want to open it. So now let's start the code. extension of file called cat. And I need to close the file. When you say have my file, it's this file. And but I do that again. I see file, which is the file open. If I the file that I print into the file, this is passing. This is original file, so I'm do something in the file. And here, yeah, running out of time. This has another, let me just introduce them. This has another function, scanf, just like the scanf that you can read something from the file. From the file, it has some other options like print output, which means you can put a character in your file, you can put a string in your file, and you can read the character or string from the file. Putting a sentence into by using print as function.